dare you dig a little deeper. It makes you feel a little stronger. Who knows what you may find? You'll see in your own time. It might just take a little longer. It all goes by so slowly. Ooh, you waited your whole life. Your days turn into nights. Now let the river flow deep into the...
So we drove down a really bumpy back road, and it's a disaster. But I kept switching this light. I was like, why isn't it working? And the bulb is loose. The bulb is loose. That is wild.
There you go. Yeah.
Look at this disaster. This flew off of the wall. This came off of this. The rice cooker's on the floor.
It's not even upright, it's on its side.
Oh my god. I'm trying these plates to be
Oh, also, it's summer again because
there's
dust.
just so much dust. Oh, you can't even see it, but like, ew, that's nasty. Oh my gosh, what a mess. Everything on the floor. So this attaches to the
Oh my god.
to this spot with a magnet.
The magnet fell off. Oh no, it fell off the wall?
It fell off the wall.
Oh no. I knew that was gonna happen. I'm just surprised it hasn't happened already.
This is over here. There we go. That's back to where it belongs. We're at a really beautiful camp spot though. We're right along the Bull River. And you can see, I believe that's Bull Mountain. I could be wrong though. It is so nice. It is right next to the road though, and there's a train bridge right there, so we might get some noise, but...
I tried going deeper into the woods. There's more campsites along the river, but there was, it's like wedged in a valley between two mountains, and there was snow still, like on the river banks.
Yeah, so we decided not to go any further, and that's how this disaster happened. Yeah?
Hey, Aspen. Are you complaining that your food is boring? Well, not tonight. Tonight, we have dogs in the kitchen. Don't look at it.
What flavor is it?
Disgusting. Goldilocks with chicken and wild-caught salmon au jus. You're not even gonna want to look.
Okay, we'll just look at the dog. Aspie.
Ew.
Just look at her reaction. You don't want to see what it looks like.
I know.
Happy pup.
Get it.
Well, I threw that pretty far.
It's so nice having the back open again, and like it's like 13 degrees right now still. It's so warm. I can cook on the tailgate. Like, it's just so nice. It's so nice. In the winter, our living space is quite small, but in the summer, or well, I guess this is spring, it's huge. It's like endless. I mean, I've got the whole river bank. I got the whole riverbank as our backyard. I'm playing catch with Aspen. It's so nice.
That's ridiculous.
How's it going?
It's actually working really well to boil the noodles.
Yeah, the rice cooker is just amazing for everything. Aspen?
I put the spaghetti in for 30 minutes, but it needs just a tiny bit longer, so we put it in for 4 more minutes.
Oh. Uh-oh. So someone got a very large portion, and then the other person got that.
Wow, okay, I'll get a fork.
Now we got a train. I forgot there was a train bridge here. Oops.
Today, we are going for a little hike.
Yeah, I'm not sure which one, and it's not much of a hike. It's pretty much just a little walk, but since there's no snow, we'll find something nice to do. So that's what it's looking like back up north right now. It literally makes me want to puke. Look at that. I'm so glad I'm not there.
Foggy with a bunch of snow. Daniel's dad is skiing right now. This is so much nicer. Look, we have sun. Today for breakfast, we're having bagels and cream cheese. We have this chives and garlic cream cheese we bought. Let's see how it is. We don't have a toaster though, so that kind of sucks. Bagels just aren't the same, not toasted. Cream cheese.
There's an incredible amount of these rec sites in this area. It's honestly so awesome. And this one's free. A lot of them are actually free. And then some cost $14 a night, but that's not that bad. We're on a short little hike today. I think it's like an 8-kilometer loop. It's called Bull River Trail. I don't think there's much elevation gain.
Yeah, it's just a nice walk, really.
Yeah.
It's beautiful
But
out.
it's crazy because it's dry grass and like, you know how nice it is to actually hike on rock and not ice and snow?
And I think I actually overdressed with this t-shirt. Can you believe
so
that?
hot. It's so
It's
beautiful.
wonderful.
All the time you are moving with emotion. Let the river flow. Can you hear it whisper? It goes by so slow, like a solitary drifter. How dare you run a little faster? One step, you are on your way now. Embrace all your weakness. Therein lies the secret.
Did you enjoy your walk? It was very nice.
We just got back. That was a nice trail. We ended up, there's like a loop, but somehow we got completely turned around. We were walking along the river, and then we were planning on walking, like, on the higher part back. Somehow we switched them, and we were walking down on the higher part. I have no idea what we were doing. Apparently, we met somebody who had some super cute dogs Aspen was playing with, and he said that there's trails all over here, so we were kind of just like not checking anything and just kind of following like the footpath, so we must have just ended up on like some wrong path. I don't know. It's really nice though. I would definitely like to come back here and explore more of the trails.
We have to go. That's not going. We gotta go. We gotta go. I'm leaving. What the heck? Let me go. Ah! Let me get out of here.
It's a pretty nice view.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we should get going. I have my first day of work today. Back to the old grind.
Just in case you forgot one, someone left a calculator here.
Oh, thank goodness. I really needed that.
Okay. Good dog. Yeah, no, it's really not that bad. Just put it on.
She just doesn't like anything going over her head.
Oh, it's tangled. Star's first day at her new job was today. This morning. Crazy how warm it is. We didn't use our diesel heater until the very morning. We used it for like 20 to 30 minutes to just warm it up in the morning. You just don't even need it. It's crazy. It's so nice. Yesterday hit 20 degrees Celsius. Like, that is insane. It was so warm. It's actually a shock. Like, it was quite the shock. So this is Brewery Ridge Butte, and it's like a 3-kilometer loop, so it won't take me very long. just go check it out. Not exactly sure where it starts, somewhere around here. I'll just follow the GPS. Got some friendly deer in front of me. That trail is steep. Not now. The first like 5 minutes is just pure uphill. As you can see, I have many eyes watching me. So I actually came back to where the deer were, because they seem to know more than me. It looks like this loop goes around the butte. Actually, you know what? I don't even know what the definition of a butte is I think the first time I've ever done one. So, but I'm trying to get to the highest point, which is somewhere up there, where the actual trail just kind of like goes around. So I'm just gonna cut off and go to the viewpoint. I don't know what that is, but he just scared the crap out of me. It must be a grouse or ptarmigan. My little guy. He just shot out right in front of me. I was like, holy moly, where did you come from? You know, I don't know if you think you're sneaking away, but I can see you. Looks like I found the actual trail. What the? Looks like I'm allowed to fly here, which is pretty awesome. So I'll take it for a little spin.
Your whole life, your days turn into nights. Now let the river flow deep into the ocean. All the time you know you are moving with emotion. Let the river flow. Can you hear it whisper? It goes by so slow, like a solitary drifter. So slowly, ooh, you waited your whole life, your days turn into nights.
I think we're gonna end this video here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this area, because I sure do. It's so cool. It's exciting exploring new places.
So slow, like